Hello, everybody. How are you? Happy to see. So, let us start. I'm your EVS teacher, and I'm going to take your first lesson of your EVS, that is Animal Kingdom today. Okay. So, in this lesson, you are going to identify the similarities and differences between human beings and animals, their external characters. Then you are going to learn about the relationship between human beings and animals. Okay. Now, learning about animals is an interesting thing for you, isn't it? You have always been looking forward to learn about them. You have always been curious about them. So, shall we learn? Okay. So in your previous classes, you have learnt about different animals. You know that birds and insects are also animals. Do you know that we human beings are also animals? Yes, children. Do you know that? Yes. We are called social animals. Okay. Now, we will learn about it in detail. Observe the animals that you see around you. Okay, you have seen around your house, you have seen many animals. Observe them and find out the similarities that you find between them and you. So, do you know any, can you say about any similarities? What is similarities? Similarities means something same. What is the same thing factor in between you and the animals? Can you tell me, children? Think. Hmm. Yes, we have four limbs, like two hands and two legs, isn't it? Even the animals have four limbs. It is not necessarily they are having hands and legs. They have four limbs. Okay. Then what other similarities do you see? That we have two ears. Yes, eyes we have, mouth. I mean mouth and nose. Okay. So what else do we have in similar? Yes, we eat and we sleep. Isn't it? The animals also eat and sleep. Now, there is a picture given for you to find out any similarities, external similarities. What is external? Whatever you can see outside, okay, with this picture, with the help of this picture. Okay. Now, let us go to the next page. So, here now we are going to learn about the differences of these animals. Okay. So what difference do you see between you and the cow? Tell me, children. What difference do you see? Yes, you see that you have no tail. Okay, you have no horns like a cow. Then we can talk in language, but does the cow talk? No. And we walk with the two legs. The cow walks with four limbs, isn't it? And we make things. Okay, we make some toys and all. We make the paper book, everything. The man makes so many things, but the animals like cow and all, most of the animals cannot do all these things. Okay. Now, look at the next part. Vanaja of class 4 is a smart girl. She has made a list of animals that she saw when she went on a field trip with her teacher. But she has forgotten to write the size, color, food, and dwelling. You write them. Now they have asked you to write this. Come on, let us see. Cow. Cow are in different shape, like a large, small you can write, okay? The cow is large, okay? It is a large animal, isn't it? Then the color, it is colorful, okay? Like a white, black, brown. So many colors are there, yellow, yellowish brown, isn't it? Then food, what do they eat? They eat plants. Dwelling, what is dwelling means, children? Dwelling means um, dwelling means the home where they live. Okay. Now, fish is small. You can see larger fishes like a shark also. So, which fish do you take in mind? You can write large or small. Okay. Then color, they are colorful. food, they eat small worms in the and eggs of other fishes in the sea or water. Okay, where do they live? They live in water. Crane is a large fish. I mean, large bird. It is a bird. What is crane? Crane is a white bird that you see near the cows in the paddy field. You have seen, right? Yes, yes. So those birds are called crane. And the crane, what does they eat? They eat small fishes and worms, isn't it? Where do they live? They live in grass. They live on trees, isn't it? Okay. Now you know that they walk in water. They find food in water, but they don't live in water. Most of the time you might have also seen that crane stands on water, but they don't live in water. Okay, understood? They go there to get their food. Okay. Now butterfly, monkey, garden lizard, rabbit, grasshopper, tortoise, bat, all this you have to write. Okay. You know that tortoise lives on land and water both. Hmm? You know that, right? Okay. Now, bat is an animal. It is not a bird. Okay. What is bat? Bat. What do you say that? Call in Tulu. It is bavali, isn't it? So it is a animal with the wings, okay, because they give birth to babies, not eggs. You know that birds lay eggs, like a hen you have seen, but bat doesn't lay egg. Though they fly like a bird, they give birth to small animals, not egg. Okay, so that is what they are. It makes a difference that it is an animal, not a bird. Okay. Now, next. Look at this. A few animals like fish live in water. Monkeys, birds, insects live on land. Many animals like cow, tiger live on land. Okay. Now you see, children, that different animals eat different kinds of food. They have different food habits. Shall we learn about them? Based on the food and habits, animals are classified as follows. Herbivorous. What is herbivorous? Animals which eat plants and plant products such as grass and leaves are herbivore animal. Okay. Now examples of herbivore animals are zebra, rabbit, then cow, elephant, giraffe, etc. Okay. Now let us look at the next one. Next is carnivore animal. Animals which eat meat, flesh, egg, and other animal products are called carnivorous animal. They eat flesh of other animals. They eat on other animals. Okay. Now examples of carnivorous animals are tiger, leopard, puma, then another snow leopard, polar bear, seal, otter, badger, crocodile, shark, hyena. You can see that they are all flesh-eating animals. Okay. Now here, omnivorous animals. What is the omnivorous animal? Animals which eat both plants and animal products are called omnivorous animals. Okay. Now they eat all kind of food like both plant products and animal products or the raw animals like the flesh and all. So you see gorilla or monkeys. You might be surprised. You might have been thinking that monkeys are always a plant-eating animals, isn't it? They eat on berries and fruits, but they can eat the flesh of other animals like smaller animals, like very small animals. Okay, they eat on that, like the birds do. Okay, when they don't get these plant products, they eat on these flesh also of smaller animals. But you see, they would eat cooked food like a cat and dog. Okay, cat and dogs are also omnivorous animals because they eat the non-vegetarian cooked food that we give, isn't it? They like to eat that. So they also eat rice. That means a plant product. Then it makes a it makes them omnivorous animals because they eat both the food. Okay, omni means all. Okay, they eat all kinds of food. Therefore, it is called um, what is it called? It is called omnivorous animal. Okay. Now, examples of omnivorous animals: monkeys, polar bear, then sorry, brown bear. Brown bear. Why is brown bear called a omnivorous animal? Because see, they eat the honey. Honey is an extract from the plant by the bees. It is not. Just a second, my children. Okay, so they eat the plant product of the um, honey that is extracted by the bees. Okay, now other examples are hedgehog. Okay, and other animals, civet. Civet means kalaberu. Okay, they eat the smaller, very small animals um, and all. Then you see that humans also eat both kind of foods. Okay, non-vegetarian and vegetarian. So we are also omnivorous animal. So let us look at the what are the plant products or plant that we eat. Omnivorous or herbivorous animals eat from the plants. Those are vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses, and green leafy vegetables. Okay. So, what are the products that we extract from the animals and we eat are milk. You know that we drink the milk of cow. The milk products that we eat are cheese, paneer, ghee, buttermilk, butter ice cream, lassi, etc. Now you must be very thirsty and very drooling to eat it, isn't it? Hearing about the name of these ice cream, cheese, paneer, etc. Okay, now next. Honey, we get it from the animals, that is bees. They collect, it is not an animal product because they help to extract it from the plant and they store it and we collect that. Okay, honey is not a thing that we extract from the directly from their body or something. We extract the product that they have collected from the plants. Okay, bees collect it from the plants and we collect it from them. Okay, so therefore we collect it from the animals that they have stored. Therefore it is considered as animal product. Now meat also is direct flesh you eat like chicken, then mutton and all. Okay, eggs. Eggs also is a product that we extract from the animals to eat. Here is the picture of the exercise given in your page number 4 of your EVS textbook. In this, they have asked you to write the uses of these animals. Okay, the first one is the parrot they have shown here. Now, parrot, why do we tame a parrot? Because we keep it as a pet. Okay, we talk to them and it responds us. So we keep it as a pet. The honey, they have shown the picture of honeycomb in which the bees are collecting the honeys and we extract this honey and we eat them. Okay, it is very sweet, isn't it, my children? Now look at the ox or the bullocks that is used in the paddy field. Okay, they be used to plow the field to soften the soil of the field. Now you see children, this is the picture of a horse. Horse tonga is horse is used to pull the tongas and take you from one place to another. Okay. Then fishes are used to for food, isn't it? Fishes are used for food. We take milk from the cow to drink. And here is the picture of the goat. People eat the flesh of the goat or we take the milk of the goat to drink. Okay, here is a picture of a dog. The dog guards our house from the thieves and other danger. It alarms the owner